I want to speak Urdu, but I can only speak Tola Tola.
आपका नाम क्या है?
My name is Otto Rodland.
लाहौर आपको कैसा लगा?
Lahore is a beautiful city. I like very much Lahore. And Pakistan is my second country. Pakistan and Denmark is Hyderabad.
जिंदाबाद
Hyderabad.
जिंदाबाद
Zindabad.
हाँ जिंदाबाद।
Zindabad.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं हूं मुआज़ अहमद, आपका दोस्त, और आप देख रहे हैं ग्लोबल थिंकर्स। नाज़रीन, मैं आज जो है वो डेनमार्क के अंदर मौजूद हूं, यूरोप के अंदर, और डेनमार्क के सिटी कैपिटल कोपनहेगन के अंदर मौजूद हूं और उनके भी ट्रेन स्टेशन के ऊपर मौजूद हूं। मुझे यहाँ पे इत्फाकी तौर पे एक डैनिश अंकल मिले हैं, तो जो पाकिस्तान में रह के आ चुके हैं। 8 साल इन्होंने पाकिस्तान में गुजारे हैं, और मुझे इत्फाकन ये ऐसे मैं इनके पास से गुज़रा हूँ तो ये मुझे घूर रहे थे, तो मैंने ज़रा करीब जाके वैसे ही हाई की है। तो उसके बाद ये मेरे पास आ गए हैं और इन्होंने बातचीत जो है वो करनी शुरू कर दिया। बल्कि पहले मुझसे इन्होंने ही कुछ सवाल पूछा था, जिसके जवाब में जो है वो फिर ये बातचीत आगे बढ़ी। तो उसके बाद जो है वो एक बड़ी अच्छी गुफ्तगू चली। 1 मिनट। अभी जो है वो मैं इनसे तारुफ़ करने जाऊंगा और उसके बाद जो है वो हम बातचीत करते हैं। हेलो, कैन यू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ in Urdu? If you can speak Urdu, it will be better, okay?
I can only talk,
Okay, speak here.
I want to speak Urdu, but I can only speak Tola Tola. But it's very nice to meet my friend here. I'm very happy to see him.
Okay, just introduce yourself. आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है?
My name is Otto Rodland. This is my born name.
Okay, thank you. So the other question is, where are you from, and how do you know Urdu?
I am from Denmark.
Okay, if you can speak Urdu, it will better.
I am born in Denmark, but I have been in Pakistan for 8 years. I was with some organization in Pakistan. The name of this organization is the Salvation Army in Pakistan. I living in Fatima Jinnah Road in Lahore, 42. Fatima Jinnah Road, 42.
Okay. So आप हमें बताएं कि लाहौर आपको कैसा लगा? लाहौर आपको कैसा लगा? Do you understand? How was the Lahore in your experience?
Lahore is a beautiful city. I like very much Lahore, and the big road, Jinnah Road, and the Mall Road, very big Mall Road. I have buy some shoes in Mall Road and looking many things there. But excuse me, I only speak English, and my own language is Danish.
Okay. So आपने 8 साल पाकिस्तान में गुजारा. You live Pakistan about 8 years. So how do you found Pakistan people, and people's behavior, character? How do you see it, and how much number do you give the Pakistani people?
Pakistan is my second country. I have my mother language, and my motherland is Denmark, but I love to Pakistan. When I was in Pakistan, the people was very, very nice with me. Very beautiful. I love them all.
Thank you. How do you see the marriage culture in Pakistan? अबू मानता है, अम्मी मानता है, कौन कहता है? Just watch there. Yeah.
I am not married. I am single people, but I know many marriages in Pakistan. Some is very happy, some is not happy because only Abu and Ami give a connection to this girl, and after they find out they was not the right.
So I want to ask him that why he did not marry until now. Now he is 68-year-old, and I am very surprised to listen it that he is not married. So I have a question. Can you please answer me this question? Watch here.
You should not have more question about this because this is a personality question. I not believe marriage. In Denmark, many marriage after few years they divorce again. Therefore, I think I will not get married because I will not divorce.
Okay. Thank you. In the last, now we will end this video, and we will say Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Jindabad.
Again.
Jindabad. Pakistan Jindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Yes.
Just watch there and say.
I think Pakistan will be a very nice country now with this new Prime Minister,
Yeah.
Imran Khan. I
Zindabad.
think he's a good for Pakistan.
Yeah.
Pakistan and Denmark is a Hindabad.
Zindabad.
Hindabad.
Zindabad.
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 Yeah.
Yes, I hope so.
Yeah. Okay. If you have any message for Pakistani peoples, you can give them.
I hope all Pakistani people, girl and boy, these people get married, they living together all their life.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Nice to meet you very well, and say goodbye to you. Hope you will like the video. Thank you.